Hey YouTube, this is Devin Engel. Today we're going to talk about the stock market because today in the stock market I made almost 2%. Now, whenever I invested in the stock market, I set a goal, which is what some people really don't do. I set a goal for 2% every single day. Today I reached that 2%. Not every day I've reached that 2%. Some days I reach 0.5% or 1%. Today I reached 2%, and I'm very excited that I reached 2% because my investments are tremendous. I mean, just in the couple of months that I've invested, I've made more money than I thought I would make investing in the stock market. Now today is going to be a simple video. It's not going to be long, and really I'm not going to even have to edit this video because we're just going to talk about what to do. And we're going to talk about, as a young investor and as a beginner, really, because I'm still a beginner, what do I do? What do I look forward to? What do I look towards whenever I'm investing? Whenever I invest, I think, okay, how can this help me in the long run? Now, the investments I made have helped me. It's been a couple months, I've had my down days, I've had my red days, I've had my green days where I've been in the when I've been making money. The red days being I've lost money. But whenever I invest money, I invest it now strategically, meaning that, okay, now I know the stock market, now I know these stocks I invest in. I usually invest in the same stocks because I know the pattern, I know the trend of these stocks. And so far, it has made me some money. Like I said in the previous video and the other videos, I'm not going to show y'all all the money I've made just yet because technology has prohibited that. But whenever in the future, whenever we start investing and I start showing you my stocks and even the stocks I've invested in, I'm going to show y'all this is the stocks I've taken, this is the stocks I've bought, this is the stocks I've sold, my positions, when I sell, when I buy. And whenever I buy stocks, I buy them because I'm like, okay, is this going to make me money? I'm only 19 years old. Is this going to make me money 2 years from now? Am I going to be closer to $1 million 2 years from now? Am I going to be closer to $1 million a year from now, even 5 years from now? So you got to think about these things before you ever invest. And that's really the big point about investing. You got to know when you're investing. You got to know what you're investing in. And so far I've made, like I said, 2% daily is my goal. Have I made that much every day? No. Some days, like I said, I've made 1%. But just really read up on the things that you want to buy. Now, what did I buy? I bought USAT Technologies. Now, that's a company that I like. That's a company I've read up on. Now, the ticker symbol is USAT. If you want to look it up. There's a link in my bio to Robinhood, the app that I use to trade stocks and the ETFs and all that. So y'all go click on that. If y'all use my link, we both get a free share. Use this link. It is awesome. It is the Robinhood app is something that you make every single cent of your money. Other platforms you have to pay commission, but no, you don't have to do that. You have to pay. You get every single dollar that you pay for. So Robinhood is a great platform for this. You're your own stockbroker. If you're 18 or older, this is eligible for you. Now, Robinhood is a great app for me because I was 18 years old. I invested some money. I was working at Jimmy John's. I mean, I'm going to have to get a job soon after high school because I just finished my exams this week. But, you have to fund your dream. You can never be successful without dedication and without the perseverance of what you want. So greatness without sacrifice only leads to confusion. You have to sacrifice, as a 18-year-old entrepreneur, I'm like, okay, I want to sacrifice for, my riches. But more than that, I just saw a video about people giving to other people giving to the homeless. That is my goal, to give to my church, to give to people that are homeless, to give the riches that God blessed me with, and not only that, to give the riches that I've invested in. That's the whole lifestyle it's about, giving to others. Because when you're making money, what's the point of keeping it with, you have to share that. You have to share your knowledge, share what you're about, share what you've invested in. Now, with me as a 19-year-old, I'm not going to make $1 million overnight, but here soon, I hope that I can be wealthy enough to, invest in other people and invest in other things. So today's video is not really about how to do this, what to do in this situation. It's just a vlog saying, do what you love. Like I've said in my first video, do what you love, invest in what you want, but take time. It takes patience and perseverance. So take time to do what you love. Follow your goals, follow your dreams, follow your ambitions, and just go on from there and see what you can do whenever you invest in what you want to do. Now, if you like what you hear, if you see my other videos, subscribe, like this channel, comment below, tell me what you want to hear, and I will see y'all next time.